we provide the technology and the capabilities within generative AI to build the overall stack that will solve for business problems. For the second part of the question, the industries are very varied. We cover pretty much every industry. The problem that we're looking for is solving for elapsed time, effort, unstructured data. These are sort of problems that were not solvable in the past, but are now unlocked through generative AI capabilities. So it's not specific to a particular industry, but we could absolutely cover a wide range of areas. Three specific areas that matter most. One is around making sure that the content that generative AI creates is grounded in the enterprise knowledge, the domain, so you can rely and trust on it. Make sure there's human in the loop, so you don't put everything on autopilot. You make sure that somebody is actually validating the output that is generated. Second is around the data that is being used for training. It's quite important to make sure that the data sets are equally balanced, have been rightfully cleaned up and prepared for the training process itself. And the last part is around legality as well, because just going back on the data point as well, a lot of the output that is generated through these models is correlated back to the data that was used to train these models itself. So the legal aspect of it is just as important. So work with providers and open source solutions where you are clear about your legal implications for the content that is created. So those are the four things that I would talk about from a business point of view to keep in mind.